So I'm going to BS the design of this hard drive a little bit for you. Now, there could be like 6 discs in there or 4 discs, I don't care. There could be 10 reader arms in there, like 10 reader arms on that disc reading 10x. Each one of those are at 600 megabytes, and there could be this BSIDE SATA cable in there. Like, it's SATA 10, I don't care, you can name it whatever you want. So you got this little SATA data cable. You could honestly use that hard drive as a RAM stick now. 6,000 megabytes. One ARM reader can go at one SATA 3. One SATA 3 is 600 megabytes, I believe. But 10 reader arms, that's 10x SATA 3 if I'm correct. I mean, honestly, why enamor up a SATA 3 cable that goes at 600 megabytes? IDE goes at 133, but the cable's like this wide. SATA is like this. I mean, seriously, why isn't the cable this wide anymore? Alright, so like, you do realize that you make this stuff, right? I mean, there's this guy down at some restaurant making a hamburger. There's this guy at some place making a chipset, like a graphics card or a motherboard. I mean, Newegg gets this stuff. Where does it come from, really? It comes from you. You build this stuff. You do it. It comes from you guys. You know, to me, it seems like corporation owns your ass. Now, why is that? You make this stuff to make money off of you?